This is a video of the first snowball fight ever recorded in 1897, restored with AI. And for some of you non-believers out there, here's the original footage and the best part where the guy gets absolutely blasted with snowballs. I hope he had a good life. They did an automobile test in 1930 and they got the entire town to come out and watch. It was also a bathrobe durability test. Before they had monster truck rallies, in 1922 they had the American Automobile Leap Show. Somehow nobody got hurt and everybody had a good time. These roller skates were made in the 1920s, but don't let when they were made fool you, because these absolutely slap. Imagine you and the entire squad mobbing in these. Toys from the 60s were kind of crazy. This one here is called Six Fingers, where you can play a practical joke on your friends, but it also doubles as a dart gun that shoots little messages. You can also use it as a pen in school so that you can do your homework and also shoot darts at your friend. This is high school footage from the 1990s. I love how everybody represents a stereotype that you would see in a teen comedy. You got the jocks, you got the troublemakers, you got the creatives, you got the goofball, and that right there, that's a TikToker. High school fitness in 1962, also known as PE. I've never seen a PE class that looks anything like this. They're serious, they're determined, they're in shape, and they're also having a good time. AI restored a video from 1897 of people walking around Jaffa Gate, Jerusalem. But you gotta watch these two kids on the right, because I swear to God, in today's day and age, they would be TikTokers. Egyptian gold sandals from 1500 BC with the little toe caps. Honestly, I think it's time they bring them back. A recolored photo of the Titanic before it left for New York. And one thing I noticed about everyone is there's a lot of people wearing hats. This guy's about to get rescued from a seating position on the ground by a plane. A grappling dangling line from the plane will hook and engage onto the line attached to the person and will retrieve him from the ground. This is Nintendo's first headquarters in Kyoto, Japan in 1889. I guess they used to sell watches and playing cards. If you think that your job is tough and you have anxiety, this is a photo from 1920 of a bunch of coal miners and their daily commute to work. In 1910, these death row inmates were given the opportunity to play baseball to save their lives. Their executions were delayed only if they played well, which they did, but only bought them about a year of life. Imagine it's 1963 and your local newspaper drops this banger of an article. You'll not only be able to carry your phone in your pocket, but it'll come with a loudspeaker in case if the housewife is too busy prepping a meal or something, she could keep those sandwiches coming while she talks to her favorite buddy on the phone.